Here we're going to make a pen holder, and it can also be easily constructed. Now we can construct an interesting piece. Here we are making, and this pen holder is very good looking. Here is an arrow, and it can also be easily constructed. Just see how we are making that arrow. Okay, our arrow is ready. Here we are going to make a speaking lips. Yes, do you have wonder? These lips can speak. Just have a close observation here, and we are going to open it. Yes, it can talk. And let us go to our next item. Here we take a paper with designs imprinted on it, we fold it, then we open and again we fold, thus we have a box. Thank you for watching.